Guess what? You don't need a real estate agent to sell your house. It's true. There are some companies out there that will buy your home with fees higher than the cost of an agent's commission, or you can do it for sell by owner and do all of the hard work yourself. Hi, I'm Latrice Deluna, your Lake Forest and Mission Viejo real estate expert. And it's true, you do not need a realtor to sell your home. But what you do need is a highly experienced digital marketing expert who knows how to get your home in front of as many buyers as possible, both locally and out of the area, and to get you the best price in the shortest amount of time. I am much different than your traditional agent, whose marketing consists usually of just putting your home on the MLS, putting out some postcards, and putting it on their Facebook page. My team and I have spent tons of time studying and being trained with the best strategic, cutting-edge digital marketing techniques from specialists who know what they're doing. We get thousands of eyes on your home, which gives you a competitive edge when selling in this market. I am a bona fide expert in digital marketing, and I will expose your home to the masses. So yes, you don't need a realtor to sell your home, but you do need my team and I. Don't risk what is likely the biggest investment you'll ever have. Call us today. I'm Latrice Deluna, your Lake Forest and Mission Viejo real estate expert, and as always, I'm happy to help.